Those in lower six now, last year, their exams, the IGCSE exams, 88 of them wrote the exams. Out of that, 30 of them got A's and A stars. It's 6 A's and A stars, alright? Good. 6 A's and A stars. So I'm only going to mention names of those who got 6 A's and A stars. That makes 34%. Now, those who got 6 A stars will be acknowledged during the speech and prize giving day. But now, we will just recognize these students. Let me mention, let me start from Denise. Denise Ayikwe, 5 A's, 1 A star. Mami Dede Zoe Ado, 5 A's, 1 A star. I want to really come back, but she got 4 A's, 2 A stars. There's a Markway, 4 A's, 2 A stars. Nana Christopher Asari, 5 A's, 2 A stars. Irama Michaela JC, 5 A's, 2 A stars. And for NC, we didn't 6 A's, 2 A stars. Adwa Oshisefa, 3 A's, 3 A stars. David Odamite, 4 A's, 3 A stars. Ethan Nubazi, 4 A's, 3 A stars. Asida Edaho, 4 A's, 3 A stars. Zara Eagles, 4 A's, 3 A stars. Joseph Jango, 2 A's, 4 A stars. Joseph Adomako, 2 A's, 4 A stars. Jerome Pass, 3 A's, 4 A stars. Mujangani, 4 A's, 4 A stars. Nanaya Kuja Sapa, 4 A's, 4 A stars. Mama Sulokani, 2 A's, 5 A stars. Divan Lalwani, 2 A's, 5 A stars. Running 3 A's, 5 A stars. And now to our 6 A stars for later. Rohan Sharma, 2 A's, 6 A stars. Yofi Asma, 2 A's, 6 A stars. Ethan Ashok 2 A's, 6 A stars. Anishka Uprabudi, 3 A's, 6 A stars. That's 9 subjects. 10 subjects, so the following students took 10 subjects. Daniel Ibensan Adeyisa, 3 A's, 7 A stars. Jackson Pujabi, 2 A's, 7 A stars. Bujani, 2 A's, 8 A's are. Paul Alexander, 2 A's, 8 A's are. Now, before you don't come back, I got 2 A's, 8 A's are. And now, our overall best students, 10 subjects. Ama Oforiwa Omanibuama, 9 A stars and 1 A. Alright, so this is a big challenge for those of you in Form 5 now. The target is to get half the students who take the exams to get more than 6 A stars or better. Okay, so those of you in Form 5, more than half of you should get more than 6 A stars or better. You should be able to do it. And those of you doing 10 subjects, we need 10 A stars. And I hope you are ready for that. Congratulations to everybody.
The morning school, this is something